Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Notice this is my first video, so I'm not comfortable with talking, especially in English. So if my accent isn't good and if I don't get it, yeah guys, tell me please where I can improve. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how can you import this product from Aliexpress to your WordPress website. So let's go ahead and get started. So I've choose a product, let's import this one. You can see it have the color, you have some images that gonna go be imported as well. The reviews, you're gonna need another plugin, so I'm gonna show it in another video. And here you have the image, the details and everything. This is gonna also be imported to your WordPress website. So let me show you my WordPress website. It's already online, so you can visit if you want. Here you have like flag, so you can change your language, or if you are from China it's gonna change to Chinese. If you are from the UK you're gonna change to English. So I'm from Portugal, then it's gonna be in Portuguese. So you see it, this is another feature that I can show you later. So this is my website. I can go to the shopping page. Let me show you, this is my shopping page, all my products are here, and I'm gonna add the other product here. It's gonna be here in the first place. So let's go to WordPress. There is on your WordPress dash. So to import your products you're gonna need a plugin. It's called Aliexpress, the shark dropshipping for Aliexpress, eBay, Amazon and Etsy. If you don't have it, just go to plugins, add new, and then type it the shark dropshipping. Then you can see it, you click add new and then activate. I already have it, but after you install it you need to activate your shop. So to activate your shop you come here to connect to store, and what you're gonna need, your WordPress URL, that's your site. Let's come here to my site, type it, copy and paste it here. Then you're gonna need your key client and your secret client. How you get those? You're gonna need WooCommerce. If you want to sell something you're gonna need WooCommerce in WordPress. Just go to settings. My WordPress is in Portuguese because I work with Portuguese clients, so yeah. Come here, then you come to advanced here, and you can see advanced. Then you're gonna scroll down until you see API REST. You click here, API REST. Then you're gonna need to create an API REST to import products. Then you click add key. You're gonna give it a description, can be like test. You're gonna need your admin, your email, and you're gonna give them the rights to write and read. It's the last. If you need to click on the last so you can get it, and then click generate API key. Then you have it, the customer key and the secret. You copy the first one, you come back here, your key client you paste it is the first option, and then the secret you copy and you paste it here. Then there you go, and then you click connect a star. Let's go. Then you're gonna charge, and then you're gonna receive a message that you are connected successfully. So this is the first step where you integrate the plugin with your website. Now you are connected to Aliexpress. Everything you do here, it's gonna come from Aliexpress. Now I'm gonna show you how to actually import the product after you are connected. Okay, now you are connected to your store. Now let's go and import a product. There's the product I showed you. It's here. There is the link, and you can see here you can paste it by SKPU or URL. Let's go with for the first option. You come here and you copy this number before the .html. You copy and you paste it here, or you can also paste the product link here. If you want to import in English, paste it in English. If you want to import in Russia, you can import it in Russia. It depends on what language you want it to be imported. So yeah. After you paste or this or that, you can click on import. It's gonna take a while because it's copying all the images, all the products, all the reviews are not being uploaded, but I can show you how to do it in the next video. So let's go to here. It's gonna be imported. Let's see if it's already is. Go to products, open a new tab. After you open it a new tab, you can see if it's already here on my WordPress. By default, let's go and click edit. Let's see if it's already in my site or it's not. It should be. It's taking a while, my internet is not good today, but it should be already in my WordPress site. Why it's not? I don't know. Yeah, because I didn't give it a category. Yeah, that's why it's not showing here. But it's already, you can see it's already here. If you click edit product, you can come here and you can already see it in your site. Let me show you. This is my theme. I custom made it, so it's already in my site. I can show you how to do a site like mine if you want to. It pasted the color. As you can see in Aliexpress, you have 4 pieces. It's showing here the color. If I change it to English, it should be the same color, 4 pieces. It imported the images and the description here. All the description from Aliexpress, it's already here on my E-commerce. But if you want to edit, you can edit. First of all, you can change the title. You can change the category here. This is the long description. Here you have the short description that's gonna be showed. Wait, let me close this. The short description is gonna be shown here in my WooCommerce website. If I want to write something here, it's gonna show here. Then you can change it to private, to publish it. Let me put it. I don't want people to see it because I'm not gonna sell it, to private. And then change. You can actualize it. Yeah. Then you have some properties from the product you came from. So if you want to change it, come here. You can see it's saying color, but it's not color, it's the pieces, it's not the number. So if you come here to your product, variations, yes, it's variations. You can see it's 4 pieces. In attributes, color, no, you don't want to say color, you want to say pieces. So you're gonna change that to pieces because you want to show the actually. Yeah, you can change it here. You can change the price if you come to your variations. This is the price that comes from Aliexpress. You can change to whatever you want. So you can modify it. And this is also another plugin that I made, that you can change the currency depending what country you are. If you are in America, I'm gonna show in dollars. If you are in Europe, I'm gonna show in euro. So yeah, guys, this is how you do it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And sorry because I'm speaking too fast because it's my first video and I'm a little bit shy talking to something. So I'm gonna bring you more useful tutorials later. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe. And see you in the next video, and bye.